Today we came across the Elzle model YD888 solar charger. This is one of those little power bank things. It's in the box here. We've got a small carabiner. You know how I feel about cheap carabiners, so we'll go ahead and set that aside. And we'll go ahead and see what's in the package. There's the charging cable. And here's the power bank itself. So let's get this unwrapped. There you go. Relatively tight fit and finish. Good size. Fits right in the palm of the hand. It's got a little strap on it here, I guess to attach the carabiner to. It's got a light built in. I'll put all the specs in the next screen after this part of the edit. And there you go. Got two USBs and what appears to be like a micro USB. So I'll go ahead and put this thing through its paces for about the next 6 months. And on the other side of the jump, you'll see how I feel about it. So after 6 months of use, my little power bank here, as you can see, 4 lights, still holds a really good charge. This little button here on the side, I don't know if I showed that to you originally. That's what turns on the light. Still solid. I haven't touched this thing in a couple weeks and it holds the charge very well. Another kind of a strobe effect that light can produce. Couple different settings on that. Kind of just cycle through them with a push of that button on the side there. Overall, I've really enjoyed this device. It has proved to be way more useful than I thought it would be, and much more rugged. At the house, I usually keep the power bank plugged in to keep it charged. When I'm on the road, I just hang it in the back of the Jeep just like this, so it's constantly picking up a solar charge. Now, it takes a long time for this thing to charge by the sun, but it works in a pinch. You're definitely going to want to keep it plugged in when around the house, when not in use. Mostly I've used this thing to charge my Kindle, my drone batteries, my power beats, cameras of all types, and of course, my cell phone. Speaking of the Kindle specifically, I did a little test with that and got the charge down to about 20%. Then I hooked up the power bank there. Now, while the power bank was hooked up, I proceeded to watch 2 hours worth of movies and the power bank still charged the Kindle up to 48%. I let it sit for a while and it easily got it up to 85% before draining the power bank completely. So what's my final rating on this thing? Honestly, I have to give it an enthusiastic thumbs up. At $25, you cannot beat this thing for the price. Sturdy, rugged, solid built. I use it all the time. I've never had a problem with it. It's never failed me. I absolutely love the thing. Price point, absolutely amazing. And of course, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Hey, if you found any value in this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. If I wasted your time, hit that thumbs down button twice for me. If you'd like, follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.